Hello there everyone, welcome back to the channel and back again with another video. So our pair for today is basically our pair on the previous video that I did yesterday, which is the CADJPY, the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So yesterday we had, yesterday or on the previous video we had buy setups and I did not cater for the sell setup, so I feel like I did that on purpose, or I feel like I avoided catering for the sell setup. So today's video is about catering for the sell setups, and not only that but also buy setups, because the market has not respected our buy setups from yesterday's video or the previous video. So as you can see, I am on the 4-hour time frame, and if I switch to the line graph, I have my 4 key levels, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? And if I switch back to candlesticks, I am on the 4-hour time frame, right? And my overall direction, as you know from if you did check out the previous video, you know that the overall that we saw was a buy, right? And within that buy, moving to the hourly time frame, we saw that the market previously gave us the sell trend right there, but respected this red key level, right? And also gave us this uptrend, right? Broke out of the uptrend and retested and pushed to the downside, which yesterday's video or the previous video that we did, the market was here. So once the market was here, we did anticipate a double bottom on this zone right there, which is something like this. We did anticipate something like this. So yes, that was what we anticipated on the previous analyzed. So as you can see, the market did not actually respect our setup. It actually broke down and retested both my zone and also my overall trend line, as you can see, but it is still above my strongest key level, as you know that I do have those 4 key levels. So it is still above my strongest key level from the 4-hour time frame. And one thing that I want you to check out is this, this large double bottom here. So the market might not break down, retest and break to the downside, retest and push to the downside, give us those selling opportunities. It might basically give us a fake out, which is something like this. It basically gave us this large candlestick here, and a lot of traders thought the market is now selling. I'm not saying this is gonna happen, but what I'm saying is that you have to basically cater for every scenario of the market. You have to be prepared for anything. So here as you can see, I also have this downtrend, which we did have yesterday. So okay, let me start with sales. So for sales, as I said, the market is still above our strongest key level. So if the market does break the downside, that would confirm to me that now the market is selling, because I have a breakout and a retest on my zone, a breakout and a retest on the overall trend line, and a breakout and a retest on my strongest key level. So my stop loss is above the zone. That's also to cater for any breakouts, but your stop loss should be basically where it invalidates your setup. So for example, here, this is where my setup would be invalidated, because once the market basically triggers my stop loss, I know it's a breakout and a retest on, and that's where I would be looking for buys, considering this downtrend here, the small downtrend there as my confirmation. So this is what I have for sales. I have a sell stop right here. So if the market does actually it might push a bit to the up to give me a touch there on the trend line and basically activate me, and from there I would hope, I would basically, you know, be patient and wait for the market to actually hit my take profit there at the bottom to complete my sell setup. And then now looking at buy scenarios, right? Buy scenarios. So I'm on the 30-minute time frame. So on the 30-minute time frame, catering for buy scenarios, the market might give me this small double bottom breakout, retest, and once the market basically breaks the zone that I have, because that is a strong zone, then that's where I am gonna have my buy position right there, and my take profit would either be at this red key level, the red key level, and my stop loss would be possibly there. My stop loss would be there, but wait, I do want to try something. Okay, my stop loss would be basically, yeah, or even, yes, basically there, with a good risk reward ratio of 1:2. So yes, that can, this here the top can be my take profit, or I can scale it up to the overall key level of my setup. So yeah, this would be my take profit, but we do have to also, you know, cater for this key level here. So basically, if the market does reach this key level, you may close half of your trades and lock your other half, maybe at this red key level here, to see whether is the market gonna reverse, or is the market gonna break out, retest, and continue with its setup. And if it does break out, retest, and continue, then that means it would basically complete our double bottom that we did anticipate here. So that's what I have for buys, and that's also what I had for basically, yeah, both are scenarios, buy and sell. So be sure to check out my previous video that I analyzed yesterday if you did not see that one, and I will put it in the cards. So be sure to check it out before you move into this one, so that you can understand what we are talking about, right? So yeah, that's basically the setup that I have for today. And if you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you would love to, you know, see more content, subscribe. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or anything that you're thinking of, leave it in the comments below. And here are two here's a video and a playlist that I think you would like to check out. And without any further waste of time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you